Oh, no music? Okay.
Riding the horse? I see you. Oh, you love the horse? Ride him, Bo. Make him go? What are you watching? Oh, Thomas.
Excuse me, airplane coming through.
Oh, the helicopter. You gonna ride the horse anymore? You gonna ride the horse? Wow, one hand too? Can you make him go fast? Go fast?
I have buses for you.
Are you dancing to the music?
No. I got buses for you. I got buses for you.
You do?
You see? I have buses.
What did you get for me?
I saw this.
What is it?
This.
Can you show me?
Yeah.
A motorcycle and a hat
Each.
and undies. Wow. What's on those undies?
Box.
Anything else?
More size.
I see some more stuff in there.
More size.
What's this?
Just for you.
Yeah, what is it?
Yeah, for you.
Yeah.
Hey, more size for you.
Oh.
This is all for you.
That was so nice of you. Why did I get all these presents?
Just all these buses. One for the Narwhal and one for the Narwhal.
What did I get these presents for? Is it my birthday?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah. It's for Sunday. Now do you have one more 8-bit wide? One more?
Well, it's time for the tub.
No. I said 2 8-bit wides.
Okay, one more short one. Please?
I just said one more. What do you say?
You have to say.
Please.
Okay.